Steering wheel adapter being made. Almost done. For reference, this is a 0.8 millimeter nozzle, so I can get a thicker bead, and I've bumped up the wall thickness to 5, so we're going to have really heavy duty walls around all the bolts and lateral support. So I designed these plastic brackets to mount this fuel tank to the railing, and it was going good until I made a little mistake, which is sort of funny. So pretty much you got 2 of these, one on the bottom and then one on the top reverse, and they squeeze together and they hold to this bar, and then they attach to the factory threaded holes in this tank. Like, kind of hard to do one-handed, but I can't do it one-handed. But anyways, it threw bolts through this plastic 3D printed part I made into the tank, but I made a mistake, and the mistake is sort of funny. I have them the right size to fit these flanged bolts. They fit right into the holes fine. Like so. But I didn't leave enough room for a socket. The socket doesn't actually fit in these holes. Now these don't have to be that tight, and they're going into plastic, so I figured, well, if this doesn't fit, I'll just make new ones. So these are 3D printed socket heads, and they're just ever so slightly small enough to fit into these holes. Now obviously these aren't going to be very strong, they're just plastic, but I figured they'll be probably strong enough, and I printed 2, and I only have 2 bolts, so I'm just going to torque it until I break the plastic, and then it will be tight enough, I'm sure, and we'll be good to go. And if I ever have to take them out, I'll just print new ones. And this is basic PLA plastic. This is one of the weakest plastics you can use for this. Like, PLA Plus is way stronger, I've found, so I can always print a stronger 3D printed socket to remove them if necessary, if these very weak ones break when putting them on. So you can kind of see the white lines, from the pressure. So it's going to break soon. Oh, actually, there we go. That was kind of anticlimactic, but here, let me push down some pressure, and all right, cool. I did the other one off camera only because it's really hard to do with one hand.